Hello, I'm Emily, Membership Development Manager for the Royal Aeronautical Society. Welcome to our September highlights. This month, the membership team hosted 2 webinars. The first introduced the benefits of joining the Society and explained how to apply. The second explored professional registration, giving engineers insight into becoming a chartered engineer, incorporated engineer or engineering technician, with plenty of opportunities for live Q&A. If you're interested in joining a membership webinar or watching recordings of these webinars, please head to www.aerosociety.com/support. We were pleased to participate in DSEI, the UK's flagship defence event, as an official media partner, connecting with global partners and showcasing innovation across the defence sector. We look forward to hosting defence leaders at our future Air and Space Defence Summit in London next year. On the 12th of September, our Young Professionals Conference returned with the theme, Wings of Change, the rise of young visionaries. The event inspired students and early career professionals through thought-provoking talks, panel discussions and networking opportunities. Mid-month, we welcomed members to our late summer air law reception, focused on climate risk and resilience. Keynote speaker Yvonne Moynihan of Wizz Air UK shared her expertise on sustainable aviation, followed by networking in the Argyle Room and Terrace. On the 18th of September, our annual Amy Johnson named lecture explored the evolution of aircraft maintenance, from preserving legacy aircraft to embracing AI-powered systems. The session highlighted the vital role of women in advancing safety, innovation, and engineering excellence. September showcased the Society at its best, sharing knowledge, building community, and helping to shape the future of aerospace. Thank you to all of our members and partners around the world. Until next time, fly further with the Royal Aeronautical Society.